Hey everyone, I purchased this Presto Griddle / Warmer Plus off of my son actually. He bought it thinking he would use it at work. Found out it didn't work out. He was going to take it back to Walmart. I said, no, I'll just give you $40 for it. I think that's what he paid for it. And boy, the box, look at that. That's all about the bearded Italian right there, my friends. And so we have the Cool Touch electric griddle. I'm going to do a quick cook on it, a breakfast cook. And look, it even has a healthy ceramic nonstick surface. So I've already unboxed it, of course. Well, my son unboxed it, and here she is, ready to go. I've used it once. I think he used it once. So you can already tell from the heat element where that's at. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. But anyway, yeah, it works off of the kind of your normal Presto style thermostat type of power thing. And it's plugged up. And we have the grease trap right here. There we go. This is all plastic right here, so that's what the Cool Touch is about. So it's hot here, cool to touch here, and this warming tray is kind of cool, like that, and it'll come up. You can use it as a serving tray as well, which I did the first time I cooked on it. I was wanting to try it out. I didn't know if I'd even like it or not, or even do a review on it, but going to right now, let you guys see how this thing works, so stay with me. Of course, I've got some bacon grease over here now too, so that is going to be good on those hash brown patties. Yeah, I'm cooking for my son and I this morning. My daughter and wife left early this morning to go to Tulsa, Oklahoma for a pageant that my daughter is involved in. She's been doing pageants since she was, I think, 15. Got into it late in life, but she loves it. And it's fun. I'll go up there later. It don't start till 5 o'clock tonight. So my son and I are here at the house. Now I'm going to go ahead and throw down just a little bit of salt on these hash browns as they warm up a little bit. Right now, you see, good even color all the way around on this bacon. I know it's not anything hard to cook bacon, but it gives this griddle a chance to, you guys can see what it can do with a breakfast. I'll do some more cooks on it, of course, as time progresses. Some bread on that. See there, look at that. I like using the tongs on that. I'm going to use a little spatula. Of course, with any ceramic coating griddle top, you got to be careful what utensils you use. You got to use nylon or wood. And wood's okay, I like it. That's what I had handy this morning. So I get this sucker picked up. There we go. Look at that. Nice browning on that one too. Some paper towels right here in this warmer. Transfer the bacon over there. That bacon will sit there and rest and stay pretty warm. Actually, it's not going to get cold back there. And I know there's a lot of bacon grease, but I like using butter on my eggs, and I mix it with the bacon grease or sausage grease for the most part. And I'm going to turn this down a little bit more to about 300. Yeah, I'm going to do the eggs. I hardly ever do sunny side up. I'll either do over medium or hard. My son, I don't know if he likes over medium or not. I know he has, but we're just going to fix it all the same. And I'm going to go ahead and toast up a little bit of bread here. Transfer them over here to this the warming tray again. Get some of that grease off of it a little bit. Right there on the edge, I knew it was going to happen. There we go. And go ahead and toast up a couple more pieces of bread. That one toasted up good. This one's having a little bit of issues. These are going to be probably over medium. There'll be a little run to them. Should be fine.